Hello, kindergarten scholars, and happy Tuesday. So, in our reading skills today, we're going to be reading some sentences, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how important our sight words or tricky words are when we're reading. All right, so this is a kindergarten sentence. I would like you to read it. Go ahead. Yeah, so it's what were they playing with? Now, do you see the words that are underlined in red? All right, so look at that sentence. Let's count the words. All the words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many words are underlined in red? Yeah, 4. So I'm going to let you know that those 4 words are tricky sight words. So when you know them, look how quickly you can read a sentence. The only parts of words or words in this sentence that are decodable, first of all, the word with, if, that's totally decodable. And the ending on playing, ing, is decodable, ing. But all the other words, they're not decodable. You have to know what the word is. All right, let's try another one. Do you see how important these sight words are? All right. Again, the words that are underlined in red are sight words or tricky words. The words that are not are words that you can decode. So go ahead, read the sentence. I'll point. Right, so once Mom said, we can go to the sand and dig. So as Mrs. Hannigan always says, the sight words are kind of like the glue that holds the sentence together. Let's just read the words that are not underlined in red and see if it makes any sense, okay? So we're going to start here. Ready? Mom can sand and dig. Mom can sand and dig. So that kind of gives you a different idea, maybe, or no idea at all. But when we read it the right way with the sight words, once Mom said, we can go to the sand and dig, makes a more clear picture for anybody reading the sentence. So keep practicing your sight words, not just here, okay? Remember, we always should have those flashcards going, all right? Getting ready for first grade. When you get to first grade, you're getting all new sight words. So if you know your kindergarten sight words, think about how strong of a reader you'll be. All right, let's keep moving. All right, boys and girls, for our next activity, you are going to have to say the word that I am describing, all right? So look at your 4 words. You'll notice they all have the double E underlined. What sound are the 2 E's making? Right, long E. E. All right, ready? This word means to say hello to somebody when you see them. What word is it? Yeah, if you say hello to somebody, you read the word. Yeah, you greet them. All right, another one. This word means you get to have something. You get to have something. You get to have it forever. Yeah, what's that word? Right, keep. All right, this word means there are 7 days in it. 7 days in in a week. All right, this word means that you gather together with people. You're gathering together. You're what? You meet. All right, let's try some other long vowel words. Okay, and now we have long A words. All right, so you'll see I've made that connection that A is connecting to that magic E. Magic E says, make your name sound. A. All right. Which word means to have a lot of courage? To have a lot of courage to do something. If you have courage, you are... Yeah. What's that word? Right. There's your blend. Brave. Brave. All right. Which word means that you created something? You created something. Yeah. Read it. Made. Made. There's that long A. Which word tells me about a circle, a rectangle, a cube, a cone? They're all what? Yeah. Shape. They're a shape. What word is something that Superman wears? Superman wears a red one. Yeah, it's a cape. What is that? It's a cape. All right, let's try some long I words. Okay, so here's our long I words. Again, you can see the connection to Magic E. All right, take a look at them for a second. See if you can read them to yourself or to somebody near you. All right. This word is something that the sun does in the morning. What does the sun do in the morning? I absolutely love to see this in the morning. Yeah. What's that word? Right. Rise. Rise. It rises. And if you hear it, that S is kind of disguising itself a little bit as a Z, because we don't say rice, we say rise. Okay, we learned about that a long time ago. Sometimes it disguises itself. All right, what word is something you do when you're happy? Your face does this when you're happy. Yeah, you. Smile. Such a great word. Smile. What word is part of your bike? Oh, there's another long I word, bike. It's part of your bike. You have two of them on your bike if you're riding a big guy bike. Yeah. A tire. Right, tire. All right. What's the word that names a piece of playground equipment? You go up the ladder and then you come down. Right? Slide. Slide. All right, let's take a look at some of our work today. So in today's work, you're working with the long I sound I and the short I sound I. So you're going to read both words. Okay, remember when you're saying the magic E, you know that's an I sound. And you're not saying it, you know it's I, like itchy. So you have 2 pages to do with long I and short I. And then remember the story of the bike ride? Well, I'm going to send that to you also. So you are going to answer some questions about the bike ride. So remember, you can use the microphone on these. Just make sure you're answering in a complete sentence, or you can write it. That's a choice you can have. Don't forget this one. I had to send a few back already, okay, from last week. All right, so what you have to do down there. All right, so remember, illustrate a part of the story and then write a caption down here. It doesn't have to be a whole sentence. You could be labeling with just a caption, a few words that tell about that part of the picture that came from the story. All right. I can't wait to see your great work. Go get them.